Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to explain about how you can apply for police clearance certificate from Canada for your immigration purposes, especially for permanent residents. So before it used to be a different process. Before we can use the services by Purolator by paying the certain amount of money, so that a person from Purolator will reach out to your house address, and they will collect all your documents in person, and they will deliver it to the BLS. So once they verify all the documents and all the required process, so you will receive your police clearance certificate through Purolator in courier with the original document. But right now it is not the case. So if you can see here, they had a message displayed here which says Purolator is a third party logistic company for BLS, and they also mention we cannot track, and therefore not responsible for any applications coming through any email or courier services. So that's the reason I'm making this video. So if you check here, according to your postal code you need to select your jurisdiction. So in my case, so I fall under Toronto jurisdiction, so I just selected this place. So it will redirect you to the PLS International website. So for now you can just ignore the pop-up box. So here you can see an option called passport services, and under passport services there is an option called police clearance certificate. Just click on that. So this is the information regarding the PCC, and so right now, so first we will go through the document requirements for PCC. So if you go here and click on the Toronto jurisdiction, so you can see three types: type A, B, C. So A is for Indian passport holder, B is for foreign passport holder, and C is for foreign nationals. So in our case, so we are dealing with Indian passport holder, especially for permanent residents. So these are all the required documents which we need. So one is the checklist form, which is nothing but the form which you are seeing right now, and second one is the online application form. I'm gonna show you how you can get the online application form, and third one is Indian passport, so original and copy, and I'm gonna say why you require a original Indian passport, and your proof of address with you, either your driving license or recent utility bills, maybe your internet bill or gas bill, anything works, and your status in Canada, either work permit copy or study permit copy. So right now in our case, most of the time it will be work permit, and photograph, which you need to maintain some standards, and you need to meet some requirements, and the fees as well. So if you scroll down in the same checklist, so they gave a brief description of all the required information. So online application form, so you can click on this particular link and it will redirect you to the site, and I'm gonna show you right now shortly. And if you go down, so you need to get first two pages and last two pages of Indian passport. But my personal suggestion will be, if any one of you are having US visa and you travel to US frequently, it's better to print all the pages from first to last, and cop and, and just hold the original passport with you as well. And as I mentioned earlier, proof of address, so driving license or any photo ID issued or any utility bill works. And status in Canada, it is nothing but your work permit or study permit, and the photograph must follow these requirements, which is nothing but 51 mm by 51 mm. So you can get the particular photo at Staples or Shoppers Drug Mart. So just let them know it is for immigration purpose, so you will get the photo with this particular dimensions. And fees I'm gonna explain you shortly. So if you scroll up, and so if you click on this online application form, so it will redirect you to this site. This is where you need to register your account under country Canada, because we are right now in Canada. So you can just select Canada and it will redirect you here. So in this page, if you don't have an account registered with this website, you can register by giving all the required information here, and you can choose your login ID, or you can use the same email address as the login ID, and just make sure you remember your hint question and answer, and just register. So once you register, you will receive an email to your email address. So to activate the account, in my case, I already has my document registered, so I can log in to my email credentials. So once you log in using your login ID and password, so there are 7 steps where it requires all your personal information, your parents information, your back home address, and your current home address, and everything. So just make sure you keep all the required information and submit. Then there will be a PDF downloaded for you. That is nothing but your document for the PCC, which is the online application form. So till now, so you got all the documents required, and you can just verify everything. And once you verified everything, you just need to make a tick mark here on all the 7 boxes here, and you need to scroll down, and you need to fill the name of the applicant and your BLS center, which place you are going to book your appointment, and your signature as well. So the reason why I mentioned BLS center name and appointment was, so right now they removed the option of purulator. Only thing you can do is you need to walk in to the nearby BLS center, and you need to make an appointment, and you need to provide all the documents physically, so that they'll verify in person, and they will let you know if you are eligible to apply for PCC or not. So if you go to the BLS website, so in the bottom under general links, there is an option called book your appointment. If you click here, so it will redirect you to this site, and just go through this important notice, because there is one point mentioned here: PCC surrender goes under passport service. So you just need to keep an eye on that point. So if you close that, just select the center. In my case, I'm selecting Toronto, and if you can select the service type as passport, so you can see there are only 2 months availability, you can see, and the two no more slots available for the next 2 months. That is the problem with PCC right now. This is a big issue. So if you guys are planning to apply for PCC, just make sure you get the next available slot, so that it won't take much time for your PR application process. My suggestion would be, if there is no available slot for Toronto, maybe you can check Mississauga, or else you can check Brampton if you are living around GTA. So these are the nearby places. So once you fill all the required information and click submit, you're gonna receive an email confirmation regarding your appointment booking. So just make sure you carry all the required documents, including the checklist as well, with you. And there is one more thing which I want to mention is regarding fees. So if you go to here and just go back, so if you scroll up and click on application fees, so for Indian passport holder, this is what we are dealing with right now. So it's $35.7. So you can just go to any nearby Canada Post, or your preferred bank. You can just walk into the bank, and you can ask for a demand draft on the name of BLS International Services Canada INC. Just make sure there are no spelling mistakes while printing this. Just tell the advisor, please be cautious about printing the name, because if the name is wrong, so BLS is not gonna accept your demand draft, and there will be some extra charges as well, um, plus, which says 35.7, plus there will be some extra charges and BLS service fees as well. So it will be around $40 or something. So just make sure you got the demand draft as well, and carry with all the checklist documents. So you need to have total 7 things. So these are the process for applying police clearance certificate from Canada. And make sure the demand draft is not folded as well. So my personal suggestion will be, please don't fold the demand draft document. It's better to use it not folding. So if you see the document requirements and the processing time and everything, so if you see the processing time right now, it is around 8 weeks, and that too it says minimum processing time, it's not maximum. So please everyone, if you receive the ITA regarding your PR application and you still need to do the PCC, right now it is the time you need to register your account and fill all the application details and proceed further. So that's the reason I'm making this video. So just let me know in the comments if you have any other queries. I can reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you guys.